How to use Mega Cloud. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily use Mega Cloud. So first, just head over to any of your browser and simply log into your Mega Cloud account. As you can see, I've already created my Mega Cloud account, so it will basically provide you with the free space of more than 20 GB. So you can use it wisely. So for now, I'll simply remove this template from over here. And to get it started, you can simply tap on this upload button or just click on this add. So for now, I'll dismiss all of things from over above and just click on this add. And first, I will like to create a new folder. So I will give it a name, something like week one. So I will post all of the videos of week one from over here and simply click on add. And to choose a file, you can also actually upload a folder as well. So I will simply select these images for now for this example and simply click on open to actually upload the files to your cloud of your Mega. So it's pretty easy to use. It's much more similar to Google Drive. So you can view all of your medias from over here. You can view your shared items, your favorites, your recent items as well. And you can basically click on this add to albums button over here, or you can also delete your files from over here as well. So that is exactly how you can easily use Mega Cloud on your PC or laptop. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.